Lise, how did you go?
Great, I had lots of fun. It was fantastic and I learned so much.
So beautiful. And lots of colour changes in there, lots of shapes, lots of blending. You've done my How to Paint Blooms online
I have.
a little while ago.
Yep.
So was this helpful to come and flesh it out in real life with me?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, I think you get different things. So now I'm going to get more out of the online course because I'll go home with the knowledge I got here and redo some of the paintings that I tried there. I just think I'm a visual learner, so it was great to have you doing the demos. It was really fabulous. So.
And great to have somebody on call to help you out if you get stuck.
Yeah.
And to show you some solutions.
Yeah, because you struggle away when you're on your own and you persuade yourself you can't do it.
So in 4 days, actually you get 2 great paintings and learn so much. And you can't get stopped because we're all turned up to do the paintings and
everybody's really supportive, which is lovely.
Yeah.
There's
no prima donnas.
Very, very supportive and very positive about everything you do, which is great.
Yes.
Because I was very nervous.
You were nervous? You were worried about what other people might think here? Or?
Yeah, and it's a very big canvas. If you're going to make a big mess of it, it's pretty obvious.
But I call my Blooms painting method the no-fail painting method. Is that true?
Yes, I agree with that wholeheartedly, and gives you a template to work with for ongoing things.
Yeah, a system.
A system, sorry.
A system that anyone can apply, basically. So
yeah, no, I think it's great.
Yeah,
it's fabulous. I met some lovely, lovely people too.
And we had some good lunches.
We had some delicious lunches. Not that I need them.
Oh well, they were healthy though. They were really
they
healthy, so I don't think that would have been an issue. It's been great. You have a great long weekend. Enjoy the fruits of your labour.